In this video I'll show my fridge. Basically this is freezer. I have shrimps over there, bacon, muffins not for me, biscuits, frozen ribeye steaks as far as you can see, frozen chicken thighs, more bacon. Here is the drawer, also full of ribeyes and chicken, more ribeyes, more ribeyes. Here is the refrigerator, butter, eggs, cheese, butter. Here is cream cheese. I do not eat vegetables or onions. Container for bacon, and also I have container for cream cheese, and I have some butter that is grass fed and regular butter, ice cold water, more sour cream, some cheese. Avocado is not for me. I do not eat avocado anymore. I do not upload any ketogenic videos. It's been about 2 months and I started strictly carnivore diet. Here is my 2 favorite pieces of equipment. This is no-wave infrared oven, and this is stovetop hot plate, so-called stove, also infrared. They both have timer, precise temperature set. This is part of the no-wave oven, easy cleanup. Here is microwave that I use to melt butter sometimes. This is pretty much it. If you don't have no-wave oven, consider to get it. It cooks frozen meat thanks to infrared heating, and also it has conductive, inductive. It has fan built in. That's how it makes frozen meat cook very fast. That was carnivore tip video. Happy dieting.